Welcome guys, this is Vilpy here. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I have already done the unboxing of the Note 20, the regular one, so go and check that out in my channel. And here we have the Exynos version as I'm in Europe. This one is the Mystic Black color with 256 gigabytes of storage and it's made in Vietnam. So let's go and open the box. The box is very similar to the regular Note and also very similar to all other Samsung phones. So let's open this one and see what do we get inside the box. There is another small box inside this box, so let's take that out and see what is inside. We have the SIM ejection tool and also some papers. Now we have the phone. Let's put that aside and see what are the accessories coming inside the box. So we have the standard charger. It's a fast charger branded as Samsung and it is 25 watts. This is exact similar charger as it was in the regular Note box. So nothing is different here. Let's see what else we got inside the box. So we have this charging cable, USB Type-C. This is very similar to what we got in the regular Note box, and this is again similar to that, a standard AKG headphone coming with the box, USB Type-C. This is also very good to have. Now let's put all the boxes aside and have a look at the phone itself. Okay, I can tell you the first impression you get from this phone is just really good. The phone feels very premium. It feels very well built and the quality, it's just like top notch. Just by looking at this phone and holding it in my hand for the first time, I can easily say that this is probably the highest build quality I have ever seen on a phone. It just looks premium. It feels really good. It looks nice. Look at the glass in the back of the phone. It's Gorilla Glass 7 and the camera bump, even the camera bump looks nice and it stands out. It's different. So I really like this phone in terms of build quality. I'm not a big fan of Samsung software in general, but this phone and the build quality just looks nice. The camera bump is big. I wish it was a bit smaller, but I can ignore that because the phone and the build quality is very good. And I won't say that you can get a case for it because I think you shouldn't have this phone with case. You should carry it without case. At the bottom we have this speaker. It's a stereo speaker. There is one on top and we have it here, and we also have the pen that comes with all the Samsung Galaxy Notes, and I will actually have my full review. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, so you will see also my full review and overall opinion about this phone. Here we have it next to the regular Note. It's definitely bigger, a bit bigger, but in terms of how it feels and how it looks, they are totally different, from totally different world, especially if you look at the back of the phone. Note is made of plastic, but this Note 20 Ultra is glass and it feels much better. The display on this Ultra is curved on the edges and on the regular Note is a bit boxier and it's not curved. But overall I think you should go with the Ultra if you want to buy any of these two phones. It definitely worth the 300. Now let's put this up. I will fast forward this part and get to the phone when it's boot up. So here we have it. The display is a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display and looks very nice, bright with very vibrant colors. I will do my full review, test the display, compare it with the regular Note, and I'm looking forward to use this as my daily driver, and I will give you guys my overall opinion about these two phones. And we'll do my recommendation in terms of if you should go with any of these two or not. But that is it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to see other videos coming out regarding these two phones. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.